everybody. My name is Zehra Başaran. I'm from Turkey. I have been volunteer at ICDT since January 2022. And let's talk about this presentation. The presentation is presenting for Green at City project. Green at City project has 5 parts and one of is recycling part. We will do some workshops with recycling materials. Now we will see which materials we must collect for these season workshops. For this season, we must collect milk juice boxes, tissue-style paper rolls, tins, per bottle, ice cream, yogurt, plastic containers. I will show you some pictures for these materials. Milk juice boxes. It can be like this. The shape is not necessary for us for the all materials. The color, the shape is not necessary. Tissue-sided paper rolls. By the way, you can easily collect these materials. Tins, per bottle, ice cream, yogurt, plastic containers, and thank you for your attention. Have a nice time.